charger, headphone jack.
Headphone jack.
Hey, Buddha! Hey guys, so the Vivo S1 has just arrived in Malaysia and we've got our hands on it. So I'm going to show you how this phone looks like because it supposedly has a very good 32 megapixel selfie camera. So while I show you what's in the box, I'm going to be passing all these things to my videographer. There's a clear case inside. Please show them. Ta-da! And a SIM ejector. And we have the phone that I will show you in detail later. Not throwing this. Okay, what else is in the box? Some sticker, charger, earphone, and a micro USB cable. So this is the Vivo S1. It has a 6.38-inch Super AMOLED display, and let's look at the sides. You get the volume rocker, the power button. This side you have the assistant button and a dual SIM card support. And at the bottom you get a micro USB charging port and a speaker obviously, and you still get a headphone jack. And it has a very traditional design with a water drop notch, but this is where you find the 32 megapixel selfie camera. Now, what is slightly unique about this phone is the design on its back. While it fades to black, in the middle here you can see this diamond-like design, and it's actually shimmery when you move the phone around. And you also get a triple camera setup with a 60 megapixel main camera, a 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. And on the back you see that there is no fingerprint sensor. It's because this phone has in-display fingerprint sensor. So the Vivo S1 is powered by a MediaTek Helio P65 processor. It has 6GB of RAM paired with 128GB of storage, and it has a huge 4500 mAh battery that charges via micro USB. And this phone supports dual engine fast charging, so it can actually fully charge your phone around 90 minutes. This phone ships with FunTouch OS 9 based on Android Pie, and there is an updated layout for a shortcut center. While previously it had like this two-line layout where you swipe horizontally, now you can scroll vertically, and its slider for its brightness and volume also changed its position. So the Vivo S1 has an in-display fingerprint sensor and also face unlock, so I tested both of them out and they're actually pretty accurate and fast. The fingerprint doesn't even require a second, I think, and the face unlock, it actually unlocks every time I just point the phone at my face, so that's actually quite good. Now, the Vivo S1 is known for a good selfie camera, right? So obviously we're going to test out the front camera and the back camera. So I've taken a few pictures with it just now, and while some of the photos look vibrant, there are also others that look more natural. And the photos aren't the best out there, but they're still decent images. And of course, I love the selfie because it has the beautification effects. It makes you look like you have flawless skin, and you also get these portrait-like effects, which my favorite is this rainbow one. It gives you this rainbow lighting, and you can edit all these photos and add more effects to it. So it's really good if you are someone who loves selfieing and posting them on social media. So overall, I think this is a good mid-range device, especially if you love taking selfies with it. And it also has a unique design if you want a phone that actually stands out compared to other phones. And it has a good screen, it feels good on the hand, it's light. So for the price of 1,099 ringgit, you can get the Vivo S1 on Lazada for pre-order now, and it will be officially available on 27 July. So that's it for our video today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel KLGadgetTV, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!